Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1 Overview of the Bakery Sector. Session 6 Equipment used in the baking process. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1 Overview of the Bakery Sector. Students, in the previous video we have seen the difference between a tool and equipment and learned about various tools used in a bakery by a baking technician. In this video, you will learn about the equipment used in the baking process. Equipment is usually the combination of tools that aid us in a specific purpose. Equipment can be a simple combination or it can be a complex combination of tools. Students, I know you have already seen some equipments at your home and in your surroundings. The basic baking equipment you will find in your surrounding and in your kitchen are the weighing scales and refrigerator. Students, there are many other different types of equipment required by a baking technician while preparing the bakery products in a plant or a bakery. Let us now see these different types of bakery equipment: refrigerator, food processor, hand mixer, oven, proofing chamber, planetary mixer, dough kneader, dough sheeter or dough roller machine, weighing scales, blowtorch and sugar mill. Students, let us understand this all different type of equipment one by one. Refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps the foods fresh and prevents spoilage for a long duration by maintaining a cooling temperature below 5 degrees Celsius. Bakers use refrigeration systems to control ingredient temperature, dough temperature, for cooling in production areas and to freeze the products. Commercial refrigerators are available in different sizes and can be chosen according to the storage need and production capacity of the bakery unit. A refrigerator should be cleaned and rearranged weekly. Food processor. A food processor performs many functions such as chopping, dicing, mixing some pastry dough, grinding and pureeing fruits and vegetables. A food processor typically requires little to no liquid during use, unlike a blender which requires a set amount of liquid for the blade to properly blend the food. Hand mixture. Hand mixture is used for whipping cream or egg whites, beating egg yolks and making cake frostings. It incorporates the air into cream or egg white and make them light, fluffy and voluminous. Hand mixtures are both manual and electrical, though the electrical hand mixtures give an advantage over the manual one by offering numbered settings towards low, medium and high speed by giving more control over the mixing process. Oven. An oven is an enclosed cavity or tunnel where dough or batter is surrounded by a hot environment and becomes baked and transformed into bread, cookies, sponges or other products. Gas oven, coal ovens and electric oven are the most common type of ovens used in bakeries. Proofing chamber. Proofing chamber is final fermentation, which means allowing the dough to rise after it has been shaped and before it is baked. These chambers aid the bakery keeping fermented dough for bread, rolls, buns, etc. for final proofing. Optimum temperature and humidity need to be maintained during proofing to ensure correct volume. Planetary mixture. Planetary mixture got their name because of how they rotate. The mixing implement, which can include a dough hook, paddle or beater, actually rotates around the bowl. It resembles like a planet in orbit in our solar system. There is a single motor and the bowl does not rotate. It moves around its axis throughout the circumference of the utensil in which the dough and baking ingredients are kept. Planetary mixtures are used for mixing the dough and cake. It performs other functions like kneading, beating and whipping also. It comes with interchangeable attachments like a dough hook, whisk and mixing paddle that can be changed and used according to the need of the bakery product. Dough kneader. Dough kneaders are used to knead the dough in bulk volume for commercial bakeries. It has a removable bowl and beater which is washed and cleaned after every use. Dough sheeter. A tabletop dough sheeter is a piece of industrial bakery equipment that bakers can use to make the dough in large quantities without taking a lot of time. It is used for rolling various types of doughs into sheets of desired and consistent thickness. It is perfect for restaurants and bakeries with tons of orders on favorite foods including pastries, pasta and pizzas. Weighing scales. Weighing scales are essential for weighing ingredients and maintaining consistency in baked products for each batch. Weighing scales used in bakeries are two types, manual type and electronic type. Electronic scales are more versatile and accurate for a bakery setup because even small quantities of ingredients can also be measured on them. Blowtorch. The blowtorch is filled with inflammable gas and used for caramelizing the outer crust or layer of baked product. Sugar mill. Commercial bakeries install their own setup of sugar mill to obtain the powdered sugar for preparations. Different sizes of sugar grains are milled by the bakers for a variety of uses. Students, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. Equipment is usually the combination of tools that aid us in a specific purpose. Equipment can be a simple combination or it can be a complex combination of tools. Different types of bakery equipments used by the technician in a bakery are refrigerator, food processor, hand mixer, oven, proofing chamber, planetary mixer, dough kneader, dough sheeter, weighing scales, blowtorch and sugar mill. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.